If you have partaken of sweet leaf, or what a friend of mine in Colorado calls the sacrament, you know that you get the munchies. The question is, does the munchies and use of the sacrament lead to weight gain and type 2 diabetes? Well, the results are mixed. Let's look at it. Cannabis is from a plant, so it's a phytocannabinoid, and it's been used since ancient Chinese times. And since that time, we continue to look at the mechanisms and the effects of using that plant. And recently, with the legalization of use, looking at obesity rates and type 2 diabetes has become a point of interest. Here's an article that shows a trend toward increasing weight and type 2 diabetes in adults and adolescents using cannabis. But other studies show the exact opposite, that use of cannabis over time actually lowers weight. Then there's the endocannabinoids. You make them in your body. You make them, they do their thing, and they go away. There are two main ones, and there's two main receptors. So is there science behind stimulating those receptors that leads to weight gain, obesity, insulin resistance, and type 2 diabetes? Well, there is. There are plenty of arguments going on about seed oils and their potential association with obesity and type 2 diabetes, but I will tell you that we have had a 1,000% increase of ingestion of seed oils in the past 30 years. Here's a chart. The omega-6 to omega-3 ratio of fatty acids is higher in seed oils. Here's the breakdown for commonly used cooking oils. The two main endocannabinoids made in your body are from arachidonic acid, which is a linoleic omega-6 acid. It would seem to make sense that if you raise the amount of omega-6 fatty acids in your diet, you would make more endocannabinoids and potentially alter your weight and your insulin resistance. Potentially reducing the amount of omega-6 fatty acids in your diet would reverse any resultant weight gain and insulin resistance, but that by itself does not appear to be true. So to me, it would make sense to not only reduce your omega-6 intake, do what Tom Brady does, cook everything in coconut oil, and raise your omega-3 fatty acid intake. Fish, grass-fed beef, eggs, and that should help you in your attempt to avoid insulin resistance, weight gain, and obesity. What do you think? Have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.